to and the factory. Alright, Toronto. It's now 1:36, 4 hours and 45 minutes to go. So this is Ontario. Welcome to Ontario. So now we have crossed over. Woo! We are in Ontario. Guys, we are now back in Ontario. Can you imagine just a border? Imaginary border. En route to Mississauga. Woohoo! We're back.
It's a Champlain property. You notice the two pillow, right?
Yes. One on the left, which is Quebec, and one on the right, which is Ontario.
So this is the Queen, and that's
The King.
the King of France. Well, back then when this was going on, there was a King of England that
Yes.
time.
Okay.
So there was two different kings.
Okay.
King of France and King of England was looking for land.
Yes.
So that's what the King of France have, and that's what the King of England have, you know? So you get it?
Yes,
That's the real
it.
story. The King of England, that's what they hold on to. And if you go to South America, the King of Spain
Yes.
hold on to the whole of South America.
Yes.
They want more land. They were living in a little box. But today they say those are the best place, right? Free king will not decide the rest of the world.
It's a do road in and then those people want this on road there.
It's a massive project, you know.
A little community right here, grass well kept, eh?
This is a serious, dangerous machine, uncle.
People don't look at it like that, you know, and sometimes I want to communicate to you, but because of where we are, we don't say nothing.
It's a 115 click. You know, it's like we hit 115 click. Alright. This thing, it crushed like a paper. And most people forget that this thing, they can crush like a paper. They feel like they go into the safety box. And nothing will happen to them.
I don't know how they do it.
It's a mindset push. You allow yourself to become so intertwined with these things that you don't realize that these things will not protect you. They're not
So
something.
God protect you.
Exactly.
Train there. So they go all the way to Toronto, other places.
Cargo coming in from Montreal.
So it's the beginning of the Thousand Islands.
Give it a break. Stretch your legs.
It's now 2:58.
Right, I'm in a serious conversation. Chilling them device, they make you look like a mad people.
So we are doing a quick stop at en route of Mallory Town. So this is how it looks. Yep. This is a divider of the road. We can't see the next side. The road has been cut through the rock. We can see it right there. This is a side that we couldn't see. These are RVs, 1000 Islands RV Center. Kingston. At the clock.
Halfway tree.
Yeah, Kingston clock.
Yeah,
Half a G
halfway
clock.
tree.
Yes.
Alright, we're up here from Kingston, we're in downtown Kingston.
Not the Jamaican gift, but
Yeah, where I want to go.
back Kingston.
Cherry Garden, Red Hills, where I want
Half a tree have 4 directions to go different places. When you continue and go downtown Kingston, which was developed before Half a Tree. It's as like a European style. All the streets are interconnected. Yes, so you can use one street and cover several streets.
That's downtown.
Downtown Kingston. I like that.
Because I hear they would have a lot of paintings on the wall.
Yes, that's downtown Kingston.
What if this Kingston what they have here in Canada, if they take the name from this, but they always bring their names of
Yes.
somebody or something
Yes,
in the colonies, them, you know?
right.
Like what they do here. Jamaica exists before. I mean, they were
Yes.
circling there before they come up here. If we get the Kingston before Canada, I think so. They already built a city there before, you know.
Right. The first electricity.
That's the first city they built in this part of the world before they even head up to this part of the place. So Kingston, I figure we're the original Kingston. If I collect royalty of this Kingston.
My favorite song. Yeah, my man who will fight for your honor. I'll be the hero you're dreaming of. Mohawk territory.
So the Mohawk, them, is the one that always shave off them head side. They always shave their head side and the hair on their top. The Mohawk First Nations.
Municipal of Port Hope. The tower over there. We're nearing home. See the turn off there to get to the community. On the right. We're all beat right now. So 5:11. 1.5 hours to go. So we are in Whitby. We just passed Oshawa. We are heading to Ajax Pickering. I just saw the sign. Thank you so much, subscribers, for subscribing to my channel, watching my videos, and those who just view my videos. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. We don't know where we'll be next. There's always something new to learn. We inform, inspire, and motivate you to live your best life, to go to your full potential, you know, to go places that you have never been before. So thank you so much for being here. Subscribe to the channel for more content like these. Like, share, comment, and enjoy the rest of your day.